The old cottage stood at the edge of the village, its windows cracked and walls covered in ivy. No one had lived there for 20 years, not since Grandma Rose died. But today, 16-year-old Lily stood at the gate, her mother's words ringing in her ears. Clean it out, sell it, and forget it. Lily's hands shook as she turned the rusty key. The door creaked open, and dust swirled in the sunlight. The smell of old wood and dried lavender hit her. She walked slowly, her shoes tapping against the floorboards. In the corner of the living room, she spotted Grandma Rose's oak desk. Its drawers were jammed shut, but Lily pried them open. Inside, she found stacks of yellowed envelopes tied with a ribbon. To my dearest Lily. The first letter was addressed to her. Lily sat on the dusty floor, her heart racing. The letter was dated 1995, the year she was born. My dear Lily, if you're reading this, I'm gone, but I need to tell you the truth. You see, I wasn't always alone. Once I had a daughter, your mother, but she thinks I abandoned her. She's wrong. I had no choice. Lily's breath caught. Her mother had always said Grandma Rose was a cold, selfish woman. But this letter, it didn't make sense. Under the letters, Lily found a leather-bound diary. The pages were filled with Grandma Rose's shaky handwriting. June 12th, 1994. Today the doctor said I have 6 months to live. But how can I leave my baby? Clara is only 10. I have to protect her. Lily flipped through the pages. Words like cancer, adoption, and forgive me jumped out. Her hands trembled. Grandma Rose hadn't abandoned her daughter. She'd been dying. Lily just found Grandma Rose's letters and the truth about her family. But what should she do now? Should she tell her mom the truth? Or keep it a secret? A poll will appear on your screen. Vote now. What would you do? The choice is yours. That night, Lily confronted her mother. Lily, Mom, Grandma Rose didn't leave you. She was sick. She wrote letters, hundreds of them, for you. Mother, no, she didn't want me. She sent me away. Read this, please. Her mother's hands shook as she took the diary. Tears splashed onto the pages as she read. Clary 1, 1994. I found a family for Clara. They'll love her. But every night I cry myself to sleep. My darling, forgive me. The next morning, Lily returned to the cottage. In the attic, she found a small wooden box labeled for Clara. Inside was a porcelain doll, a locket, and a final letter. My Clara, this doll was yours. You hugged it every night. The locket has our picture. I've loved you every second of my life. Mama. Lily's mother clutched the doll to her chest, sobbing. Mama, all these years. She loved you. She just couldn't say goodbye. They buried Grandma Rose's letters and diary under the old oak tree in the garden. Lily's mother placed the porcelain doll beside the grave. Mother, I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't know. The wind rustled the leaves, and for a moment, Lily swore she heard a gentle sigh. The cottage wasn't sold. Instead, Lily and her mother spent weekends there, repairing the walls and planting a garden. On the desk, they kept Grandma Rose's letters, now read, now loved. One evening, as the sun set, Lily wrote her own letter. Dear Grandma Rose, we're here, and we'll never leave. Love, Lily. Most of you said Lily should tell her mom the truth, and that's exactly what she did. But the real question is, did her mom believe her? Keep watching to find out. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.